Shake. Latte. Okay, these girls order like a lot of things, so just add like a lot. I mean. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, me and my friend Sis Angel, we are going to review the cheapest boba in Thailand. Yes, so this is all the cheapest boba in Thailand.
We have Moma, yeah.
Moma's bubble tea bar.
Moma's bubble tea.
Okay guys, so before we try, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel guys. Let's try! Okay guys, so I have ordered 6 different boba from this brand, the cheapest bobas in Thailand. So here we have lychee boba, and then this one is latte. This one passion fruit, passion fruit, and then strawberry yogurt, matcha, and then the last one is Thai tea. Okay, are you excited?
Excited!
So we're going to try all of this. We will try and we will see if it's worth with the price. So basically all of this only 19 baht. 19 baht, very cheap. 19 baht without the pearl. You know the pearl is the bubble, the boba. So if you want to add the boba, additional 5 baht. So that's so basically all only 19 baht, additional boba 5 baht. So 24 baht.
It's still cheap, yeah?
Yes, 24 baht compared with other brand, because other brand maybe minimum like 45 baht, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, so let's start with
what?
huh?
Or you just pick up by closing your eyes.
Okay guys, so before we try, because we bought this from outside and we are now in pandemic situation, so don't forget to spray everything that you bought from outside.
Yes.
So okay, which part that we need? Maybe just a little bit. Okay, so make sure everything is sterilized. Okay, so I'm gonna try 3 different flavors and Sis Angel will try another 3. Alright, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, I win. So Sis Angel gonna try passion fruit.
Aduh, okay, alright.
Okay. So here's your straw.
Okay, passion fruit, yeah.
Okay,
Let me shake it first, so all the bubble just like spread all over the bottle.
Yeah.
Because I also like bubble. And then
Yes.
okay. In Moma, you also can choose the level of the
Sugar. Yes,
Okay,
you
so
can choose.
what about this one?
I make it all the same, like 25% of
So
sugar
it's not
level.
that sweet, yeah?
Not that sweet, yeah.
Okay, let me try first. The boba is chewy, like chewy. I mean, like gum, and then the taste very fresh. But even though it's 25% sugar, for me it's already sweet enough and then good. In my opinion, it's good. Yay!
Yeah, so you like the passion fruit
Yeah,
flavor?
surprisingly, because actually I don't really like passion fruit. So by the time you pick up the passion fruit, I just like aduh. Okay. But then I like this one. I
Okay.
like this one. Surprisingly, I like this one. So
Okay.
this is check. Recommended. Yay.
So next your turn. You choose for me which flavor that I
Okay.
will try.
We start from matcha. For you?
Matcha.
Matcha.
Yes, matcha.
Matcha.
Green tea. Let's shake it, shake it, shake it. Let's try,
Alright.
guys. This one? Okay. So I'm gonna try the matcha.
Green tea. Okay, I guess we're gonna finish it all then. So, what do you think?
I like the matcha because for me, honestly, I don't really drink matcha because I know it's don't have a lot of don't taste good like tea or Thai tea like this one Thai tea or coffee because sometimes the matcha or the green tea is a bit bitter.
Right.
But this one I like because maybe the condensed milk is already quite sweet.
Alright.
So I didn't taste bitter.
So it's good then.
Yeah, I like this.
Yay!
Yes,
Check,
I like this matcha. Check.
Check for matcha.
Yes.
Next.
Next, I want you to try. Do you drink coffee? No.
Yeah.
Because we have a latte and Thai tea. Okay, then you try the Thai tea.
Thai tea, yeah.
Yes.
Okay, check again, and then put the straw inside. Let us. Thai tea is the tea with milk.
Yeah, condensed milk.
Condensed milk, alright.
Coffee or I'm just worried if I mess up between the Thai tea and latte. And this is what? Latte. Latte. So this is the latte. Sorry.
No. Because latte is not that strong.
Yeah, not that like Americano.
Yeah.
Because normally latte is more
Lighter,
bright,
yeah.
lighter color. Just like.
But this one is okay because it's surprising because I already prepared that this is
Thai tea, so it will be more sweeter, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
But again, even though 24%, this is already sweet, and then I guess I like it. Even though I cannot really drink much, but I like this one.
Okay.
Yeah, not
so you're gonna
bitter.
throw it after this?
No, I
Because you don't drink coffee. It's okay. I'm gonna finish all. Whatever you like.
So I like this one, but then unfortunately I cannot really finish it.
Drink coffee.
But I like this one.
Okay. Good.
Yeah. Yay! Another 3 left. I guess. Yeah, I guess you want to try this, maybe.
Okay. So this is the Thai tea, basically.
It's a Thai tea.
Okay, let's take it. Try, guys, the Thai tea boba.
Yep. What is different or something that you find it different than the other Thai tea?
I like it because it's not too much sugar. Because if you ever try the Thai tea in Thailand, originally it's really sweet. They will only give you like little like this, and then all will be the ice, right? But this one is really, I like it because it's not too much sweet. It's okay. And the tea also, it's like do you know in Indonesia the traditional tea?
Yes.
Like the Javanese tea.
Yeah, the what's that?
Tubruk, teh tubruk.
Yeah, with the bottle as the logo, isn't it?
I'm not really sure, I forgot. But
without the tea bag.
Yeah, without the tea bag.
Yeah.
So you just put it and then add
into
hot water.
Yeah.
So the taste is like that tea.
So the tea is a bit strong then.
Yes.
I think you can really taste it.
Yes.
Okay.
Not only condensed milk. So I can taste the tea is like sosro. Yeah, like very, very strong tea.
Oh, okay. Alright.
Yeah, so it's good. I like it.
Yay!
So the last for you will be strawberry yogurt.
Okay, no problem. Strawberry. And the
Strawberry yogurt.
yeah.
Yeah.
Strawberry yogurt. Sorry, it's hard. I want to try with the
Boba.
yeah. This one more sour.
Yeah, strawberry.
Mm.
Is it like yogurt? Like really
Oh
yogurt?
yeah, let me taste again. Because this is with yogurt, isn't it? I
Okay.
forgot about that part. The strawberry is stronger than the taste of the yogurt.
Maybe they forgot the yogurt. We never know. Or maybe they forgot the yogurt only. Okay, these girls order like a lot of things, so just add like a lot. I mean, make it faster. Because to be honest, behind me there was like 3 or 4
Already
other
waiting.
people, yeah, waiting for the queue, and I'm still like choosing, yeah, like okay,
The flavor.
what flavor that I'm gonna choose
But
and
they-
I'm gonna buy. So they wait for me behind me, like yeah.
Yay!
Yeah. So
Number
the last
one.
one for me, lychee.
The lychee.
Lychee boba. the boba stuck. Oh, I need to shake. Yeah.
Okay.
So let's try, guys, for the lychee.
Yep. Sour? Oh no, that's sour.
I love lychee, but for this boba drink, to be honest, it's more sour. Maybe because they add little of the lychee syrup. Unless if they add maybe a little bit more sugar, then it will be okay.
Oh,
Yeah,
it's
so
sour.
this is just like to give you freshness, but for the taste, it's more sour.
Oh,
So
okay.
I didn't taste that much sugar.
Okay.
The ice is already melted, so
Yeah, makes
the
sense.
sugar is
Yeah,
already,
the
yeah.
sugar is already
The juice, yeah, already mixed with the ice water. Okay, guys. So basically, from all what you tried today, which one is your favorite?
For this coffee, for this latte, isn't it?
Mm.
It's latte, strawberry, and
Passion fruit.
Passion fruit. For the next time, I'm gonna buy passion fruit.
Really?
Passion fruit. But if I wanna buy strawberry, I'm gonna make sure that the half that I put the yogurt.
okay, maybe they just forgot. Because you see the color is just like strawberry, right?
Yeah.
I mean if
With
they
the
added
yogurt.
more yogurt, it will be more like
Yeah, thick by the color.
yeah,
Not
like
a milk. or
milk
something.
color. Yes,
Mm.
yes, right. For me, if I go to this brand again, to Moma's bubble tea, I'm gonna buy the green tea.
Yeah. Why the green tea? compared
I
to-
like the green tea because to be
Oh,
honest, for other brand, I'm not really drink the green tea or the matcha. I usually order only the Thai tea or the chocolate, the brown sugar
sugar.
boba.
Oh, okay.
But for this brand, I'm gonna try again the matcha.
So matcha, for Mama's matcha is good for a day.
Yes, guys. So that's all our review today for the cheapest boba in Thailand.
19 baht.
Only 19 baht without boba. Without the pole, yeah, the boba. If you want to add it, just additional 5 baht, so 24 baht for one drink, guys. So cheap.
Yay.
So thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like, share, comment below, and subscribe to this channel, guys.
Yes.
See you again in the next episode. Bye bye.
I don't wanna wake up. I don't wanna wake up. From my nightmares when you lay there and you stay.